We're going to be texturing the apple. We're in the scene graph and have all our mesh layers prepared. While you're in the scene graph, you can select individual layers just by hovering over them and using the trigger or select button. Select the main body of the apple, go to Texture menu, select the Fill tool, and go to Browse Materials. The featured set of textures is robust and covers many of your needs, but I want to go with the cartoony aesthetic, so I'll make my own materials. It's very easy. Just click New, which will open the Material Lab, then enable the parameters you need for your texture. I want a red glossy apple, so I'll select Color and Gloss. I can change the base color by clicking here and choosing the color I want. That's a nice red color. Save as New to stay organized and keep your materials separated. Turn off any parameters you don't need. Select how glossy you want it. That looks like a pretty good apple texture to me, so save changes to update the material. I already have the Fill tool selected, so I can just paint the entire body in one click. If I wanted more precise painting, I could use a brush tool. Now go back to the scene graph. I'll select the leaf and make a new material for it as well. This one's a simple green color with no fancy parameters. And finally, I repeat the same simple process for the stem. And that's basically it. We've textured the whole thing in about 2 minutes or so. All that's left to do now is to save and export it.